Greetings, everyone. This is the third part of our challenge, from $100 to $10,000. We have $558 to start with. We will use our strategy of 33%. Okay, first signal is put. We must enter a trade with 33% of our deposit to have an opportunity to martingale it. First signal is correct, we made plus $171.2. If you deposit at least $300, you can make up to $200 a day without any risks and time wasting. Like in video. Second signal is call. Chance of giving two incorrect signals in a row is about 0.16%. 1 of 1,000 trades it will give bad result. Second signal is correct. We made plus $223. The third signal is call. Almost. No problem, we use 33% of deposit to profit the next trade. This strategy is very powerful, because chance of giving two incorrect signals too small. Last signal is put. Double our trade amount. Perfect signal. We made up to $700 to our deposit. This is the third video. Don't waste your time and make money. See you next week.